Here's Erin getting ready to bungee jump. She's pretty excited about this. This is hilarious. I can't stop laughing because I know she's scared. And I look like a retard because I look like I'm over here talking to myself. Here she goes, here she goes. Woo! She did it! I can't believe she did it! This is hilarious. I'm so proud of her. I'm so proud of her. She did good. She even started screaming before she even jumped. She's gonna love this video because I'm laughing the whole time. Erin, how did that?
Oh my god, that is so epic scary.
You made me laugh the whole time.